My thinkings on DCT is as follow. One of the biggest problem of clinical trials is the data collection. And as you know, at the moment, 90%, almost 100% of the data collection happens within sites that are running those clinical trials. With technologies like us and our platform and the kind of initiative we have done so far within DCT or siteless clinical trial, you can potentially collect up to 70%, 80% of the data all remotely, in some cases even potentially 100% in that sense. And that is a big shift because suddenly you can collect a lot more data a lot easier and from a lot more people. That by itself helps all the clinical trials. And the other thing is it also facilitates recruitments if you can recruit patients remotely and do the initial screening. And the result of that also could be being able to finish a trial from A to Z in maybe almost half of the time. And as you know, clinical trials are quite expensive. Drug development is expensive. Every month is a big cost to the pharma companies and has weight on their patent, basically lifetime, ultimately, that later they go to the market. So in that sense, DCT can not only make life easier for the people to participate, help you to collect a lot more data from a lot more people, but also it can potentially half the time you need to run those clinical trial. In the case of our Bayer and Stanford DCT clinical trial for AFib patients cohort, as you know, from signature to go live, it only took 5 weeks. And in 1 month, we recruited all the patients for that initiatives. And in the case of research, again, we did the Finland study, as you know, with Cambridge University, 12,000 patient populations in total. And in a matter of weeks, we could onboard a few thousand patients, and more people are being signed up to that platform, something that otherwise wouldn't be possible to collect data from 10,000 people plus in a matter of just few weeks, the kind of data that we are collecting.